Sika is one of the pioneers in the 3D concrete printing industry. At Sika, we believe that digitalization is enabling a major transformation in construction, and 3D concrete printing plays a key role in this development. That's why at Sika we offer and develop a complete portfolio of solutions that enable our customers to reach their goal and drive 3D concrete printing in the construction industry beyond all the expectations.
People make the difference in 3D concrete printing through their expertise in design, process control and material selection. Their skills, understanding of the safety protocols, and just passion for emerging technologies contribute to the success of it. We are very proud to be able to rely on a global network of highly motivated and skilled teams.
In many countries, the construction industry is facing huge challenges: climate change, the need to reduce CO2 emissions, waste management, safety at work, and labor shortages. In France, in order to contribute to these challenges, we developed 3D print mixed designs which combine efficiency and sustainability. But without partnership with printer supplier and customer, this wouldn't have been possible. Altogether, with 3D concrete printing, we enable the construction industry to be prepared for the digital transformation.
Sika can help customers to start or improve 3D concrete printing projects. In addition to our 3D concrete printing product and technical support, we can rely on a compatible range of solutions to enhance and improve your projects. These include many solutions like admixtures, protective coating, grouting, anchoring, and reinforcement products.